Do you want to cut your mortgage payments while building wealth? Buying a home with a basement rental in Toronto and Greater Toronto area could be your smartest move. Here is how you can turn your property into a cash flow opportunity. Why you should consider a basement rental apartment in Greater Toronto area? A basement apartment can help you ease your mortgage costs by providing steady rental income. Demand for affordable rental units is high in Toronto, Mississauga, Brampton, Vaughan and Markham due to rising housing costs. Many lenders allowed you to use rental income to qualify for a higher mortgage, making homeownership more feasible. A basement apartment increases property value and provides flexibility. Rent it out or use it for extended family. Are you aware of the legal requirements for a basement rental unit in Toronto and GTA? Before renting out a basement, ensure it meets the legal requirements set by the City of Toronto and other GTA municipalities. Requirements for a legal basement apartment include zoning compliance. The home must be in the zone that permits secondary suites. The basement must have a minimum ceiling height of 1.95 meter, proper ventilation, and adequate exits. The unit must have smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors, fire-rated separation, and an independent exit. Electrical and plumbing compliance must meet Ontario Building Code standards, requiring inspection if modifications are made. Some municipalities require owners to register the unit and obtain permits before renting it out. A dedicated entry for tenants is necessary for legal compliance. Always check with your local zoning and bylaw department to ensure compliance before buying or renting out a basement unit. What is the cost of setting up a legal basement apartment? If the basement is not already a legal rental, a renovation may be required. Common costs include fireproofing and soundproofing, separate entrance installation, kitchen and bathroom updates, permits and inspections. While there is an upfront investment, a well-finished legal unit can increase your home value and rental appeal. Do you know how much rental income can you expect in Toronto and GTA? Rental income varies based on location, size, and condition of the basement unit. Here is a rough estimate. Toronto between $1,800 and $2,500 per month, Mississauga between $1,700 and $2,300, Brampton between $1,600 and $2,200, Markham and Vaughan between $1,800 and $2,400, and Scarborough between $1,600 and $2,100 per month. Higher end finished, separate laundry, and parking can increase rental value. What are mortgage and tax considerations in Toronto and GTA? Using rental income can help you for mortgage qualification. Many lenders consider rental income when determining mortgage approval. Tax implication. Rental income must be declared on taxes. You can deduct expenses like maintenance, property taxes, and utilities if you cover them. The City of Toronto has a vacant home tax, so renting your basement can help you avoid extra taxes. Always consult with your accountant to maximize deductions legally. Finding and managing tenants is very important. You should do tenant screening, conduct background checks, employment verification, and rental history. Also use some platforms for listing rentals like Zumper, Facebook Marketplace, and Rent Faster. Use Ontario's standard list for legal protection. Know your rights and responsibility. Follow Ontario's Residential Tenancy Act. Be prepared for maintenance responsibility and tenant concerns. Eviction can take time in Ontario, so choosing the right tenant is crucial. Where are the best areas in Toronto and GTA for rental units? Scarborough, Etobicoke, and North York has high demand due to transit access and job opportunities. Mississauga and Brampton are popular among families and newcomers. Markham and Vaughan has strong rental market with many professionals and students. Pickering and Oshawa has growing demand as affordability pushes rentals eastward. What are potential challenges and risks of having basement rental apartment? Tenant issue could be late payments, damages, or dispute may arise. Be financially prepared for months without tenants. Failing to meet legal standard could result in fines or unit closure. Landlord responsibilities include repairs, tenant disputes and ongoing maintenance that can be time-consuming. Is it worth it to have a basement rental unit in Toronto and GTA? If done right, a basement rental can help you build wealth through real estate appreciation and passive income. Pros can include extra income to cover mortgage and expenses, increases property value, and potential tax benefits. Cons can include upfront renovation costs, and landlord responsibilities, and tenant management challenges. Buying a house with a legal basement rental in Toronto and GTA is a fantastic way to offset costs and invest in real estate. Just make sure to check local regulations, calculate costs before investing, and screen tenants properly for the best experience. If you have any questions or need guidance on finding the right income property, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate insights. Let me know in the comment, would you consider buying a house with a basement apartment?